Good morning, children. Today we will learn a new chapter on length. Now, you have already learned about length in your fourth standard class, but we will learn more in detail now. Now, you can see this is a house and this is a cloth shop. Now, Jimmy, he goes walking from his house to the cloth shop. Now, here you can see a house and below the cloth shop. So Tommy wants to go from his house to the cloth shop. Since the distance is big, he takes his car and he goes to the cloth shop. Now when the distance is long, it is measured in kilometers. Now he goes to the cloth shop and purchases some clothes. Now here you can see the shopkeeper is measuring the cloth with a measuring rod. That is called as a meter scale. He is measuring, it is small in distance, so he is in length, so he is measuring it with a meter scale. Now you can measure your books also, but you will not use a meter scale or a long distance like kilometers. You will use your scale, your compass, your scale which you have, that you will measure in centimeters. Then here you can see, you can measure your mobile. That is the width of the, which is very small, of the mobile. It is 77 point millimeters. Depth here I have written 8.8 millimeters. Height is 163.1 millimeters. So when it is very small unit, you will measure it in millimeters. So the units of length, the most commonly used units of length are kilometers, meters, centimeter and millimeter. So common standard units of length used in our daily life. That is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. These are the units of length. Now when you are converting the greater unit into smaller unit, then we will multiply them. That is, when you are converting kilometers to meters or meters to centimeters or centimeter to millimeter, you have to multiply them. Now we will do some sums based on them. Now first we will convert kilometers to meters. Now here we have got 2 kilometers. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 2 kilometer is equal to 1000 into 2. That is, when you multiply, you will get 2000 meters. Now one more sums, 25 kilometers. So 1 meter is equal to how much? 1000 meters, yes. So 25 kilometer is equal to 1000 into 25. That is 25 meters. Next, we will convert meters into centimeters. Now 4 meter. 1 meter is equal to, yes, 100 centimeters. So 4 meter is equal to 100 into 4, that is 400 centimeters. Next is 18 meters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 18 meters is equal to 100 into 18, that is 1800 centimeters. Now next we will convert centimeters into millimeters. Now 12 centimeters. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So 12 centimeter is equal to 10 into 12, that is 120 millimeters. 50 centimeters. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 50 centimeter is equal to 10 into 50, that is 500 millimeters. Now this you have multiplied, that is you are converting greater unit to smaller unit. Now This is opposite. That is, from smaller unit you are going to convert it to greater unit. Then you here what you have to do is you should divide the numbers. Okay, now we'll start converting them. Now we'll convert meters into kilometers. Now you have to convert 3000 meter to kilometers. So 1000 millimeters is equal to 1 kilometer. So 3000 kilometer is equal to 3000 divided by 1000 kilometers. So here we in the rough column you will do the division. That is 3000 you will divide by 1000. So 1000 threes are 3000. So when you minus 3000 minus 3000 you will get 0. So what is there in the quotient? 3. Yes, that is the answer. That is 3 kilometers. Now one more sum will do 8500 meters. So 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometers. 8500 kilometer is equal to 8500 divided by 1000. So we'll do in the rough column 8500 divided by 1000. So here 1000 eights are 8000. So when you minus it, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, 8 minus 8 is 0. Now here the dividing number is bigger whereas the remainder is small. So what you will do is your dividing number is 1000 and the remainder number is 500. So what you will do in the quotient, you will put a point and then you will add a 0 to 500. So here it becomes 5000. So 1000 fives are 5000. So what is the answer now? You get 8.5. So here in kilometers you will write 8.50 kilometers. Now we'll convert centimeters into meters. Now here we have got 575 centimeters. Here you have to convert it into meter. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 575 centimeters is you have to divide it by 100. Now here we'll do a rough column. 575 divided by 100. So 100 fives are 500. When you minus it, you will get 75. So here now dividing number, it is having 3 digits, remainder is 2 digits, that is 75. So to make it 3 digits, in the quotient you will put a point and you will add a 0. So now you will get 100 sevens are 700. Okay. Now you will, when you minus it, you will bring down 50. Now 50 is 2 digits whereas dividing number 100 is 3 digits. So you will not put again point to add a 0. You can just add a 0 to the remainder. So it will become 500. So 100 fives are 500. So what is the quotient? 5.75. So that is the answer. 5.75 meters. Now next one, convert 700 centimeters into meters. So 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. 700 centimeter is equal to 700 divided by 100. Now do it in your rough column. 700 divided by 100. Now this is easy. It will go 100 sevens are 700. So when you minus, the remainder will be 0. So what is the answer in the question? 7. So the answer is 7 meters. Now we'll convert millimeter into centimeter. Now you have got here 400 millimeter into, you have to convert it into centimeters. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeters. 400 centimeter is equal to 400 divided by 10. So in the rough column we'll do 400 divided by 10. So 10 40s are, you will get 400. So the remainder will be 0. So it will be 40 centimeters. Next one, 2250 millimeters. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeters. 2250 millimeter is equal to, you have to divide 2250 by 10. So we'll do in the rough column, 2250 divided by 10. So when you divide it, 10 divide 2250 divided by 10, it will go by 225. So the answer is 225. So it is 225 centimeters. Thank you.